In 2004, Walmart and its suppliers accounted for nearly 10% of all goods imported into the United States from China. The staggering fossil fuel demands required to bring these goods to the U.S. market can be inferred from data shown here. On display in black are the locations of ocean vessel traffic between June 2 to 7, 2010. Numerous lines of research show that ship emissions have both human health and climate-related impacts. Some conclusions of this research were as follows. In 2008, ships along with air traffic were found to be responsible for 5% of global fossil fuel emissions. Ship emissions are high in sulfur, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide. Ship emissions have the ability to make clouds more reflective by creating more, smaller water drops as well as have the ability to create new clouds along shipping lanes. It has been found that clouds comprised of many more, smaller water droplets have a harder time producing rain. Ship emissions are forecast to exceed cars as the largest source of smog-forming contaminants in the lower Fraser Valley of British Columbia, Canada, after 2010. Ship emissions may be responsible for up to 60,000 deaths per year throughout the globe, mostly in coastal locations. The ground-level air in these NASA images likely contains soot, or black carbon, and possibly some ground-level ozone. Black carbon is released from burning fossil fuels, particularly diesel and coal, wood and other biofuels. These same processes also release chemicals that combine in sunlight to form ozone, methane, nitrogen oxides, volatile organic compounds, and carbon monoxide. Leaked documents in 2008 show how Chinese leadership persuaded World Bank officials to cut from a report detailed maps and findings showing how poor air quality, mostly in large cities, is causing about 400,000 premature deaths in China each year. This report was produced with the cooperation of Chinese government ministries over several years. The World Bank was told that it could not publish these findings, as the information was too sensitive and could cause social unrest. Increasing evidence shows how this toxic air does not remain in China. The false colors in these images represent levels of carbon monoxide in the lower atmosphere, around 12,000 feet. Blue areas have little or no carbon monoxide, while progressively higher concentrations are shown in green, yellow, orange, and red. Carbon monoxide plays a major role in atmospheric chemistry. It diminishes the ability of the atmosphere to cleanse itself of many other polluting gases. Carbon monoxide is one of the 6 major air pollutants regulated in the United States under the Clean Air Act. Strategies put in place by the Class 1 areas shown in green are being complicated by Asian emissions. Class 1 areas are designated under U.S. EPA Regional Haze Rule. The rules aim to restore visibility to natural levels. Further research in 2004 by the Scripps Institute of Oceanography revealed that more than 75% of the black carbon over the west coast of North America during spring months comes from Asia. On April 25, 2004, air quality monitors at 8,800 feet on Oregon's Mount Bachelor spiked with elevated levels of the following pollutants: carbon monoxide, ozone, fine particulate matter, elemental mercury, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and persistent organic pollutants. The elevated readings for these pollutants happened simultaneously at the mountain location, and with high confidence, were attributed to Asia. Additionally, studies of lead isotopes found in California by a soils scientist with the U.S. Geological Survey further establish Asian origins of harmful pollution within the U.S. land base.